Hello everyone, my name is Mihir Hora and I am here to present working demo of our project. The project name is The Mumble. This project are related to the social media application. Let's beginning with the project introduction. What the mean? Microblogging bot, that means it allow you to send photos as a tweet. We can share photos, videos and caption on the mobile with your followers. After the online sign up and logging process, user can sharing the photos, videos and with caption. Your caption is look like this way. Creative, write nice, interesting caption to go with your photo and video called tweeting. Then your followers see your post and then your follower can give likes. Clicking on like button below on post let people know that enjoy it without leaving a comment, and also give the dislike. If you dislike your post, it means that user did not like your post, image, video and caption. And follower also give the right comment on your post. And if you write the comment on post, user get the notify you write the comment on that post. You can search user account using the search bar, and you can search people by their name or usernames. And also you can see your follower. When you tap follow button, person will the notification that you follow them, and follower on Mumble that user that follow you. This follower can see your post on the both profile. Following refer to the list of user that you follow on the Mumble. This user post appear on your feed, and also you can unfollow. When you follow someone on the Mumble, user tweet appear in your feed. If you want to remove them from your feed, you must unfollow them. If you have multiple user that you wish to unfollow, this means seeking out each user individually and clicking to unfollow button to next to their username. Following refer to the list of user that follow on the Mumble. This user post appear on your feed. You have access to view their profile if you want. At the top of your profile page, you should see three numbers. One indicate how many posts you have, another indicate how many people following you follower, another indicate how many you are following. Tap follow number, it should open list of accounts that are following you. We are creating API which also used by other developer, because API simplify how developer integrate new application component into existing architecture. They help business and team collaborate. And develop this module, we are using this technology. In backend, we are using the Django. Storing database, we are using the SQLite 3, and front-end technology HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and also we are using the RESTful API here. Now I will explain about my project working demo. I will explain about project working demo. First, you can create new account using their email name, username, password or confirmation password. If you try to enter existing username email, you will get the message like this: username are already registered. For example, I will show So Mihir Vora here already registered user. And I will clicking on sign up button, you will get the message like user with that username already exist and two password field did not match. Okay, so now I will end. Now Mihir Vora already registered user, so using this username I will log in directly. So here if you try to entering the incorrect password of your account, so you will be also get the some message like look like this way. I will entering the any random password and clicking on login button. Here please enter correct username and password. Note both that field may be case sensitive. Okay, now I will entering the correct password of Mihir Vora account. And clicking on login button, our application look like this. Here you can see our company logos, register username, logout. Here is left side bar, all post visible over here, and also search bar. Okay. Here you can see all TP of user are uploaded, and every time you can get recently post that uploaded by user. If you want to upload your post, click to the TP button over here, and you can click over here. For example, then you can, for example, I will select the image from my system. I will select this image and open, and I will also write the some content, and then I will already write it, and I will clicking on submit button, submit. Then over here you can see Mihir Vora uploaded post visible over here. Then you and your follower see your post, and that follower give the like, dislike, and also write the comment on the post. And here open one more account. First user account already open here, and second user account are open in another windows. So here I already open my second account, and I will refreshing here. The Mihir Vora uploaded that post are visible to all user followers account, and that followers see the all details of post, like how many likes, dislike, and comments, and also give the like and dislike, and also write the comment on post. For example, I will refreshing over here. So Mihir Vora uploaded post are visible in admin user accounts. So admin also give the like, and here will be 0 to +1. Okay, and admin also write the comments on Mihir Vora uploaded post. For example, this is too good, and submit comment. Okay, so for example, and now if you, for example, and now here I will refreshing this page. Mihir Vora, if you want to read full details of post like comments, simply click on post. For example, I will read the full every details of my post. So clicking on that post, and here I will read the and I will also read the comment write by other users, and which user write the comments. I will also show the also read their user names, also read the comments, and which time this comment are written on that post. And if you, for example, and then now, and I will in home page, if you, for I will go to the home page now. For example, if you do not like this image, or or your whatever, write your content, you can click on edit button. So here I will, here we are giving the edit button over here, and click on this edit button. And here, for example, you can change your image. You can select image, and I will selecting this image and open, and I will change this. So here you can see your image are changes, and also that post are updated in all your followers. For example, I will show you. Here I will refreshing. Here you will be see Hora Mihir Hora updated post here visible. Okay. And if you do not like this post, for example, if you do not like this post, so you can delete. Click on delete button. For example, I will show you. Click on delete button, and it's ask, do you really want to delete? If your answer yes, so you can clicking on yes button, and that post are delete on this in your account, and also deleted in post that post in all follower. For example, I will go through here, it's not visible because Mihir Hora I deleted that post. Okay. So for example, now I want to do following some other user account. Simply go to search bar and type the whatever user account, search by their name. For example, I am search the Charusat account. So here I type the Charusat. For example, I will type the CH, only CH, and here account show the list of account related to whatever account you are search. For example, in my case, we have to get the two results. One is first one Charusat, and second one IM _ Charusat. But I open the only Charusat account and clicking on Charusat. So here you can see the all information about Charusat account. Like you can also read the bio of Charusat account, email ID, that account name, and also see the followers of Charusat account. You can click on that. Here admin, only admin follow, and back to the home page, account page, and also you can see the following Charusat following to the other people's. You can see here I am Charusat admin, Amazon, Google's. Okay. And also so the post, how many posts are uploaded Charusat. So here only 4 posts are uploaded Charusat accounts. For example, here, and one interesting thing here is show the follow button. You can click that follow button, then you can click that follow button. That means Charusat your friend. Now here is change the text, unfollow button. Why? Because you are follow the Charusat account, and if you don't follow that Charusat account, so you can simply click on unfollow button, and the Charusat account are unfollow in your accounts. And okay, and you can so you can click on your account, and here you can see the Charusat uploaded post. You can see, and if you Mihir Hora write the comment on Charusat account, Charusat post, this post, So I will write, or this is too good. So click on submit button, and here is show the Mihir Orav write the comment, and you can also read the comment message. Okay, now over here now I will back to the home page, and over here you can see logged user name. You can click that this username, you are redirect your accounts. Okay. You can see your names, email IDs, and bios, image, and also you are able to edit your profiles. Here more three interesting thing. Okay. So you can also see all uploaded posts, and at the top of your profile page you should three numbers. One indicate how many posts you have in my account. I uploaded 3 posts. I uploaded only 2 posts. Sorry. Okay. So and you can also see the following followers. You can also see the which user are follow me. So you can simply click on this follow our button, and you can see which user are follow me by their name. For example, in my case is admin and small foundation follow me. Okay, I will back to my profile page, and another indicate how many people you are following. And tap the following button. Open the list of your user account that you are following to other user account. If you want to edit this post, now here you can see all the list of user accounts. So here you can see Charu Sir, admin, Amazon, Google, Small Foundation, Elon Musk. Okay, I will back to my home page, profile page. Okay. If you want to edit this post, you can edit, and if you delete your post, you can also delete in your account. And if you do not like this post, you can click delete icons. So I will already say here, this button is for editing, this button is for deleting post. And here, and also for example, if you edit your account, for example, if you don't like this name, so you can click on edit button. You can change by your name. For example, I will change my Mihir, only Mihir. Okay, and then you can also change your image, profile image. You can simply select button, and then you can also write your bio and submit, change the data. And here I will back to my home page. Okay, here you can see Mihir, Mihir to Mihir name. Okay, and I will back to my home page, and if you see the all notification, so over here. Now this functionality is not working. We are working on it, and this functionality we are updating futures. And if you read more details about this application, you can click over the about page. Here you can read the more information. And now I back to the home page, and if you give you can also give the feedback. How was your experience using this application? So our team to improve this application. So you can give your the feedback. Okay, so and if you want to log out your account, you can simply click on log out button, and you are logged in. Thank you everyone.